All right, y'all. So when I said I was going through going through distributors, I was not joking. So this is number 2, number 3, and that's number 4. The first one, I guess I had thrown it away a long time ago. But this one lasted for about, I want to say about, 2-3 years. This one, not even a year, probably like a few months. And then this one, only a couple weeks. Now this one is, I'm not sure if it's original or aftermarket. I got it from a salvage place, but they actually have a new one in stock. It's actually a Type R or made for Type R distributor. I don't know if it's actual OEM. I doubt it. I only got it for $100. This one, I got it from Amazon. It was only like, I don't know, $60-$70. Obviously, it's gonna fail for something that cheap. You can't expect too much in this one. I'm assuming it's OEM Honda because it came from in another Integra. But yeah, went to 1, 2, 3. I'm gonna put this one back on because this one is missing really bad. Like 1 or 2 cylinders are not firing, so you can actually smell the gas coming out. So I'm gonna put this one back in there and see if I can get this thing started and driving it around again. This one works sort of okay, but it has this stuff where like it goes, it stutters. Like you'll be revving it and it'll stutter. It goes zzz. So that's why I changed it out. Changed out the rotor caps. You know, I don't know what it is, but so we're gonna put this one in there and see how things turn out. I'm not gonna turn the engine on for this one because I don't know. It's just don't want to do that because it's missing pretty bad. Yeah. So like so this is why I'm getting the Dizzy, because hoping to avoid these issues. I'm not sure if the bearing here is what's the issue, because if you look, I don't think it's supposed to shake that much. Is it? I have no idea. And it's like the same for this one as well, the number 2 one. Although this one doesn't shake as much. And then this one actually shakes a lot. So I'm gonna put that in there and see how things goes. Now, and I will say that I'm gonna order Dizzy because I don't want to go through this again. Now, if the Dizzy doesn't work out, then I have no idea. I'm probably gonna, you know, if it lasts for like at least 2 years or something, I'll be happy. And if it does go out, hopefully it never does. If it does go out, I'm not gonna deal with this motor anymore. It is a great motor, I ain't gonna lie, but I will just case swap this thing because that's just too much to deal with. Yeah, so stay tuned, keep watching, and we are gonna do this like right now.